Topic 3, Crazii mid-level price, also known to be the MLP. Now, what is that? Let me show it to you right now. Now we know the direction of the opening price and the timing of the Crazii candles. The next step to measure strength of the move, this is where the MLP comes in. Now, it's first introduced in 1999. It's a daily momentum filter. It helps us to distinguish between a strong, healthy trend or a weak, struggling one. Now, this construction has remained robust across the markets, and it's not only arbitrary, it's a precise calculation, the exact midpoint between the previous day opening price and the closing price. So let's take a look over here. You take the previous day candle, you take the opening price and the closing price and divide by 2. You get this thing called the MLP. Now, our system itself have calculated this to the right decimal. In this case right now, 4985.64. So what does it tell you as a trader? It tells you that this level is the fair value equilibrium of the prior season. All right, so the battlefield from yesterday. So which means that today price action is relative to the level, telling us who's winning the war, the bull or the bear. So very simple. When the market trades above today's OP and above MLP, the picture is unified and bullish. The market is now trading above OP, already tell you that the boys are going to buy. And if the market stays above the MLP, that basically confirms the upside. So let's take a look on the chart. So you can see on your screen right now, the OP in this case is here. The MLP is represented by the dash dot dash. Okay, so now let's go back to the chart and you can see what happened over here. So you can see that in the start of the day, when the market stays above the OP and above the MLP in this case, that means that the market is very bullish, right? As you can see this again, the market did try to break below OP, but stay above the MLP. That tells you that the market is actually bullish, not bearish. So it's a very different thing from what you see in the conventional technical analysis. And this will create a high probability environment for confirmation or continuation. So of course, if the market basically stays above the OP and above MLP, usually the market will go up. So let's see this again. You can see that the market, this is the OP of the day. This is the MLP. In this case, it's above the OP. When the market is above OP and above MLP, the market is going to go up. But conversely true, if the market breaks below MLP and breaks below OP, there will be selling. So that's why when we see our chart, we need to know exactly what the chart is telling us. And from there itself, remember, the way to trade is above OP, yellow candle, above MLP will be the best time to buy. Now, if the market goes below OP, red candle, below MLP, the chance of market coming down is going to be very high. So with this, it's a precise objective tool that tell us who controls the momentum. So with that, hope you understand how to use the MLP. Thank you.